Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asad Yaqub and I am from Lahore, Pakistan. Well guys, today is 27th September 2019 and tomorrow is 28th September and it's a big day for many of you because you are appearing in IELTS test tomorrow. The first thing is congratulations because you are going to appear in an international test and you're going to enjoy taking this test a lot. Don't worry about that. I'm here to say you goodbye so that you could embark on your journey quite confidently. I know a day before you might be having some butterflies in your stomach. That means you'll be feeling confused, nervous and all that, okay? So don't worry about it. Just watch this video and I'll try to relieve you from all the tensions and anxieties of the test and all that. Let me tell you guys, you prepared yourselves very well. Did you? Yeah, you did. You prepared yourselves very well. You took the practice tests and each and everything. You watched my videos. You did writing, reading, listening, speaking and all that. And now is the time when you have to perform. Let me tell you, in the examination room, all the students are given the same question booklets. All the students are given the same answer sheets. Reading question booklets, listening question booklets, writing question booklets. They're given the same question booklets and the same answer sheets. Now, answer sheets and question booklets, they do not make any difference. They are made of paper, right? But what you write on the answer sheet, what you write on the question booklets and then you transfer them to the answer sheet, that really makes the difference and that depends on how you perform in the test. Even at the end, after 2 weeks, everybody will receive the same TRF. The quality of paper is same. The printing on TRF is same. The color of the paper is same. The weight of the paper, the grams, that is also same. But what is written in 5 boxes, that makes the difference, and those 5 boxes are listening, reading, writing, speaking and overall. And what is written on those 5 boxes, that is your effort in 4 different levels, 4 different modules of IELTS. So if you perform well, when you have the question booklets, when you have the answer sheets and all that, then on this paper, which is called TRF, in 5 boxes, these 5 boxes will give you good news. Otherwise, these boxes or one of these boxes can be the reason for bad news. Let's not even think about it. Let's not even talk about it. Listen guys, nowadays IELTS, these days IELTS is fine. It isn't very difficult because now students, they have raised their standards as well. Their English is fine now, okay? So that's why listening is all right. You will not have any trouble in IELTS listening on 28th September. Just stay focused, listen to the audio carefully, read the questions carefully and try to avoid the traps in listening. Your listening test will go very well, I'm sure about that. Don't worry. And you're going to get your target. If your target is 8, you're going to get 8 on 28th of September. If your target is 7, 6, whatever, you're going to achieve your target. Afterwards, when it comes to reading, please do the reading with strategies. Do not do the reading blindly and without any strategy. You must have 1 hour plan, 1 hour strategic plan to do IELTS reading, and that strategic plan depends on the videos you watched, the preparation you did, the practice tests you solved. So all those things, and then 1 hour strategic planning for IELTS reading is going to give you your required band score, whether it is academic or general training. So before you start reading, when the reading booklet is in front of you on the table, an examiner has not announced that you can start, you have to make up your mind that I'm going to apply all the strategies, and in 1 hour I'm going to do strategic reading, and I've got a strategic plan for all type of questions, and then you got to apply those techniques. Sometimes you know what happens, out of nervousness students forget to apply the techniques, students forget to apply the tricks, and then they start doing it in a simple way, and then at the end they fail to complete it in 1 hour time. And don't forget to mind the time in IELTS reading. Then is writing. Don't worry at all. In writing, everything is there, everything is in front of you. You can see the question, you can see the essay, you can see the report, you can see the letter. All you need to do, you need to present the best part of your knowledge about essay writing, about report writing, and about letter writing. I repeat again, the best part of your knowledge. Now this best part contains good vocabulary, good sentence structure, proper punctuation, good knowledge, and you know there are four criterias for examiner: task achievement, task response, grammatical range and accuracy, and all that. So you should, when you are writing, you have to keep all these things in mind. I'm using good sentence structure, I'm using good relevant vocabulary. Okay, what I'm writing, it is according to the topic. I'm writing 250 words, I've written 250 words. So you need to keep all these things in mind. Definitely you are going to perform well. And let me tell you, sometimes during the practice test we don't perform that good, but in actual test we perform very well. So this performance of 4 hours is going to change your future. F for 4 hours performance and F for future, and you're going to have a very bright future once you get your desired bench score. Do not worry about anything, just relax, and remember, you should be ready to face the consequences. Just think, IELTS is a test and I got to take this test. It's a test to test my English, and if I'm confused, if I'm nervous, how will I be able to give a proper test of my English? I will underperform. Let me tell you, because of nervousness, because of anxiety, many students underperform, but you are not going to underperform, you are going to outperform in your actual test. And you say, when I used to do listening, I used to get 6 or 6.5, but in actual test, I got 7.5 in listening. I got 8 in listening. This is what I want you guys to say in the future once the result is announced. Let me tell you, your present is in front of you. Your present is all around you. Your past is behind you. But your future is in your hands. Your future is in your hands. It depends on you. How you listen to the audio, how do you read the passage, and what you write. When you are writing the answers in IELTS listening, you are making your future. If you write 35 correct answers, 8 band is yours. When you write IELTS reading answers, you are writing your future. If academic reading and 35 correct answers, you might get good band score. With 30 correct answers, 7 band. With 35 correct answers, you can get 7 plus in general training reading. So you are writing, and when you are writing the essay, report or letter, so actually it's not the letter, report and essay, it's what you are writing that is going to change your future altogether. So guys, when you go to take the IELTS test, go like a soldier. Go like a warrior. I mean, you are a warrior. There is a battle. The name of the battle is IELTS. There are 4 stages in this battle, and the enemies are 1 listening test, 1 reading test, 1 writing test, 1 speaking test, and these 4 sections of this battle are going to give you a title that you are a successful warrior or you are a failure. And I'm sure you're not going to be a failure. You're going to be a successful person, and you're going to be a hero. hero of your own life story, and this heroic story of 28th September 2019 IELTS test, you are going to tell a lot of people. You are going to tell on 28th September. I still remember I had taken my IELTS test, and there I got my desired band score. Rather, in 2 modules I got more band than my desired band, and this is what I did. So it's going to be a heroic story which you're going to tell everyone, and don't forget to tell that story to me as well. Just be confident, go to the exam like a warrior, try to fight until your last breath, and then leave the result to Almighty. Let Almighty decide. You do your best and leave the rest to Almighty, and definitely Almighty sees you every time. Almighty knows that you are struggling, that you are working really hard, so you deserve that, and Almighty will never do injustice with you. Thank you very much. All the best. If you like this video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And don't forget to send me your review message about your 28th September 2019 IELTS test. That's all. I truly wish you all the best. Outperform in your IELTS test. Get good marks, get good band score, and then fly to your destination country and make your future and the future of those who are attached with you. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.